Howdy gamers. So this is a game I had on stream earlier and it was just really funny and I just can't resist to share it with you guys. If I counted correctly, I got 13 stuns, including about 10 door slams. And other than that, I honestly just think it was a really fun and entertaining game, and I hope you like it as much as I do. And if you haven't already, go follow my Twitch, twitch.tv/MrDulina. Alright, but without further ado, here's the gameplay. Where's that silly guy? Hopefully. Who are you attacking? Bubba? There he is. Oh, yeah, overheated. Hi. And you can't do much here. Follow me. Follow me, Bubba. I don't think so. I don't think so, big man. Where? There's no way he's still over here. What? Stab in the back. No. No. No breaking it. I don't want you to. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Go. Leland, fucking go. Sissy's down here. Shit, go. Go, 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 Sissy. Holy shit. I saw Sissy, bro. Is that the cook? Oh, it's a cook. Oh, it's also a Sissy. Hello. Oh my god, no, her power is gonna fuck me. What happened? Come get me. Come one, come all. Hey. Hey. Will you knock it off? There's no way! That doesn't count! Bro, that's not a slam. I got her stuck in the door. She's just stuck. Oh shit! They actually got the water. Sissy, you don't want to fuck with me. Sissy. Sissy, knock it off. Sissy. Yeah, walk through that. Come here, buddy. I didn't close it on him. Oh shit. Boom! Grab the health. Makes sense. Oh my, Bubba. Get the fuck over. Get knocked over, pussy. Sit down! Sit down! Sit down! Sit! Sit. Good boy. Where you going? I thought you wanted to listen to me. Get fucked. The movement. Eat shit, bub. Fuck you. Fall over. Eat shit. Oh, no way. Leland's stabbing him. Oh, shit. Hello. No, I want him to stay on me. Hold on. You ready for this play? I don't think anyone's ready for this. He's so slow. I can outwalk this man. Bro, he's gonna listen to me. I get all my stamina back. Come get me. Come on. Come on, come on. Come fucking do it. I'm not scared of you. Almost. Oh, I didn't slam the door. Hi. Sit down. Sit down. Okay. Maybe I shouldn't have teabagged. That's a bit toxic. Just open that for later. Right now. Oh, shit. No. No. Sit down! Sit! Now! Oh, he knew that time. Watch, he's gonna respect the door. And I'm gonna get out. Oh, hey, Sony. Told you, he's gonna respect the door and I'm gonna get out. Buddy! Give it up. I'm over this. Fall over. Where is she? Hi. Oh my fucking god! Get fucked on! Honestly, like, get fucked! What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. Come get me. Come on, Bubba! Come here, Bubba! Come on, Bubba! Bro, he give us up. Sissy? I knew it. Oh, hi. She was just waiting for it. Ooh, ooh. Just slam it and just leave her. Just leave her in there. Just left her in there. Like, just playing with yourself now, Sissy. Just gonna play with yourself over there. You gonna chase me? Like, what do you can't go that way. Can you not? You're for your father. Oh. All is one, all is one. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Bitch, I will juke you all day. You fucked. You fucked. Sit down! Sit down! Ah! Sit the oh! No, get away. Slam it, leave her there.
Hey, fuck you, man!
She's so confused. This is the best game I've ever fucking played. Holy shit, she's so lost. She's so lost. Oh, there she is. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Respect that door. You respect that door. You respect that door. Yeah. You respect that door all day. I'm such an ass! Eat shit! And she recovered! Eat shit! No! Just leave her there. This is the best game ever. Come on! Come on, come on! Oh, nice. I can slam it that way too! What are you swinging at, Bubs? Oh my god, Bubba. You know you want some! Come here. No! I accidentally fucking left! No! I accidentally left. No, I didn't mean to leave. Oh, that was the best game ever.